Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Let's start.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Let's start. Bismillah. Yes. Allahumma arhamna bil Quran waj'alhu lana imaman wa nuran wa hudan wa rahma. Allahumma zakkirna minhu ma nasina wa allimna minhu ma jahilna warzuqna tilawatahu ana al-layli wa atrafan nahar waj'alhu lana hujjatan ya rabbal alamin. Ameen. Today, inshallah, we will learn something more about the present tense, fi'l al-mudari, yani imperfect tense, inshallah. We are in our basic class. As you know, we are repeating the word basic class because this is just a basic class. We are in this class just to identify what's happening in the language, what is happening in the grammar of the language. Okay. And if you follow the basic rules, if you follow the foundation stone, then inshallah a tall building, a big building can be made on the foundation. So this basics are really important to understand. Yeah. Okay. So we are in our imperfect tense. Imperfect tense, there is a for the past tense, which is also called a perfect tense. Past tense is also called perfect tense in some books. It is perfect because this is past, it is a fact, things are gone, we know what happened, who did what happened actually. So past is a perfect tense, and present future is called imperfect tense. Why it is called imperfect tense? Because this is a period of time from present to future. It is also called present future, and the right name, the actual name is mudare. Okay. Now for past there is a formula: fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima. Okay, fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima, and after that the subject is written. The file is there. Fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima. Fa kalima always fatha, lam kalima always fatha if it is written alone. Okay, and this is the formula for past tense. Present future tense, yani imperfect tense, there is a formula. First present future sign is there, then fa kalima, then ain kalima, then lam kalima, then subject is there, and then sign of mood is there. This formula, everybody should remember this formula. Okay, anybody, any question till here? No question, alhamdulillah. So today we will do more practice. Okay, today we will do more practice, and we will learn some shortcuts, inshallah. Okay, kataba yaktubu. The practice is same as yesterday. Kataba yaktubu. Kataba past tense, and the present tense will become yaktubu. Now with this we have to identify which one is the this six things. We need to identify these six things: present future, fa kalima, ain kalima, sign of present future, fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima, subject and mood. Like ya is the sign of present future, kaf is a fa kalima, ta is ain kalima, ba is lam kalima, subject is hidden inside, and dhamma is the sign of mood. Who will help me further? Raise your hand and please
901.
mute yourself, Maisha.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
998, please mute. Yes, one. Salam rahmatullah, sister.
Yes, sir. Should I tell the second one?
Yes, please, sister. Yaktubu is done.
Yes, sir. Yaktubani.
Yaktubani.
Ya is the sign of present future.
Mashallah.
And fa kalima is kaf.
Right.
Ain kalima is ta.
Right.
And lam kalima is ba.
Ba.
Then the subject is alif here.
File is alif, mashallah.
Fa is alif. And the sign of mood is noon here.
No. And what will be the translation of yaktubani?
Yaktubani will be he uh,
दो लोग है ना, अलिफ is telling
दो
me
लोग
that
हैं, दो लोग लिख रहे हैं.
और गायब हैं वो लोग. गायब तो लोग दे होते हैं.
They.
हाँ.
So they both are writing.
आर नहीं आएगा.
They
दे
both
राइट, दे
they write.
राइट्स और दे विल राइट.
They will write.
दो
Okay.
कुछ भी हो सकता है because it's a present future. Still we are
Okay.
learning. Inshallah we will develop about this. But
So
at
if we
this
will,
moment we will say that it can be both thing, and it can be translated in both way, both the
okay.
sides, present also and future also. So you can translate in any side, in both
Okay.
the side or in any side. It depends
They
on the sentence. We will learn about it, inshallah.
sure. Inshallah. Jazakallah.
Okay. Who will help me next? Yaktubuna. Anybody? If nobody help,
No,
old
no one,
student,
sir. No
new
one, sir.
students,
Old students,
yani senior
seniors.
students, anybody. 901, yes.
So next one, yaktubuna.
Yes.
Sir, ya is the sign of present future. Kaf is
Mashallah.
fa kalima. Ta is ain kalima. Lam kalima is ba. And then the sign here is sorry,
Sign
we
of.
have to discuss yaktubuna. Sorry. So the subject will be wow here,
Wow.
and the mood will be noon here.
Noon here.
So
All right.
they all write.
They or
They write.
they write or they will write.
They will write.
Both is possible. Both are possible.
Both are
G
possible.
897.
897.
Huh? Now we will add, sister, before you answer, now we will add a special thing in our practice. That first we will say that this is present future tense. We have identified it that this is a present future tense. It's a verb in present future tense. Start your answer with that. It's a verb in a present future tense. And then ta is the indication. Ta is the sign of present future. Then fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima. And the file is hidden, or sometime it will be present in the subject, in the sentence. And dhamma is the sign of mood. Dhamma is a sign of mood. Acha, please wait. There is an urgent call coming. Yeah, please. हेलो।
जी सर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
हाँ, आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को हमारी?
जी सर, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
ओके, पता नहीं मैंने बंद भी किया था कि माइक नहीं। चलिए ठीक है। अच्छा, हु इज आंसरिंग?
सीनियर 8,
हाँ, 8
Sir,
9
I
7।
am I am
8, 9,
answering.
7.
Yeah, please answer, sir. Please answer. Before you answer, just say that this is a present future tense. Identify that this is a present future tense. Ji sir, please,
Yes, sir.
please answer.
Sir, should I tell the uh, here from here?
From Huma. He has done, sir. He has done. Huma.
Yes. Taktubani. Here the ta is a sign of present future, and
Right.
fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima, and alif here is the subject, and nun
Right.
the mood.
Noon is the mood. Mashallah. Nobody else is answering. I will repeat. The more you repeat, the more you learn.
सर
Now I have. Ji sister.
सर सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू सर, ये तख्तुबू तो नहीं हुआ था ना सर? ये
मैं
नहीं हुआ
बताया
था
था।
ना सर?
मैं बताया था
अच्छा,
तक
आपने बताया ओके सर।
जी 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 901, yes. Before you start, sister, you have to say as a practice that this is a present future tense. And how you have identified this is a present future tense? Because of ya in the starting. Ji sister, please.
Sir,
This is a practice.
yes, sir. Yaktubna is the present future verb. We can
Mashallah.
identify this with the ya in front of it in the beginning. And
Yes.
then we have kataba as the fa and lam kalima. And we have
Fa'in
the,
and lam kalima, right?
yes, sir. And the subject here is in yaktubna. It's um, s- um, sir, it's written noon here,
Yes, it
but I
is
cannot,
noon.
but I
Noon
cannot
is
make out, sir. I forgot, sir. Sorry.
noon is the subject, sister, because in female plurality in both
Oh,
the
yes,
sides,
yes, yes, yes,
third
yes.
person and second person, they don't have mood. So the noon is the
Yes,
sign
sir.
of, because we have learned before also that noon is
Yes,
the
sir.
sign of female plurality. Remember,
Yes, sir. Yes,
noon
sir.
is the
Yes, sir.
sign of female plurality.
I forgot, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that,
And there is
ta,
no mood.
mood is always fixed. Mood is
It's
always fixed.
fixed. It will not
Always
change.
fixed.
Yes.
It can, yeah, it will not change. And in the later, yes, Khal, it will not change. 963.
963 sir.
The taktubu, ta is the sign of, sorry, right now we are doing, the verb is in present future tense.
Future. Mashallah.
And the sign of present future in taktubu is ta,
Mashallah.
and the subject is hidden. Subject is hidden. So
What about
taktubu,
fa kalima and
fa
kalima
kalima. Fa
lam?
kalima is katab. Fa kalima is kaf, and ta kalima is, ain kalima is ta, and lam kalima is ba. And
Yes. Subject is
the subject is hidden here, and the sign of the,
and subject is hidden and it will always remain hidden.
okay,
Point to be noted is it will always remain hidden. It will never come out in the sentence. It will remain hidden.
okay,
Point to be noted is it will always remain hidden inside only. It will never come out. The subject will always be there inside. And the mood is
it's dhamma,
Dhamma.
dhamma sign. And
Dhamma.
here this means they, you, male, are
Are you right?
writing, yeah,
तू
right,
लिखता है
right,
हाँ
yeah,
तू
you
लिख
write, or you will be writing, or
you
you
will
will
write
write, you will
हाँ
write, yeah,
तू लिखता है या लिखेगा
okay, you will
हाँ
write.
तू लिखता है या लिखेगा लिख रहा है या
Yes.
लिखेगा something like that.
So why we
आप
don't say you are writing? Continuous में क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं?
मैं बताऊंगा sister, we will learn
Okay.
about it. We will learn
Okay.
because we are doing basic. I don't want to confuse you. This class is only for recognizing. Inshallah, later we will go into all the detail. Not in this class, of course, in the advanced class, super
Okay.
advanced class somewhere. In this taktu. Vani, again, ta is the sign. This is a present future tense. How I identified this is a present future tense? Because of ta. Ta is the sign of present future tense. Then first radical, second radical, third radical. Alif is the file and noon is the sign of mood. Similarly, here ta is the sign of present future. Then fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima, this is the file and this is the mood. Similarly, ta is the sign of present future. Fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima, this ya, ina, ya. This ya is the sign of, ya is the file and noon is the sign of mood. Similarly, ta is the sign of present future. Fa kalima, first radical, second radical, third radical. Alif is the file and noon is the mood, sign of mood, of course. Okay. Similarly, ta is the sign of present future. Fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima. There is no mood for this, and noon is the subject, and there is no mood. The mood of female plurality is fixed. They don't change the mood. Okay. And similarly, aktubu and naktubu, sign of present future. Fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima. Mood is file is hidden inside, and it will always remain hidden inside. It will always remain inside. You will never see it outside. In the future classes, we will learn why it is hidden inside, why it is not coming. But at this moment also, when the class is over, try making this thing the same thing in Urdu or in your language, and try adding a name after this. You will find it illogical. Okay. And in naktubu, na is the sign of, noon is the sign of present future. Fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima, subject is hidden. It will always remain hidden. And dhamma is the sign of mood. Dhamma is the sign of mood. So which mood are we talking about? Which mood sign is this? Dhamma, 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 noon, 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 noon. Which mood? This dhamma and mood is the sign of indicative mood. Which mood? Indicative mood. Now you will ask me, what do you call this indicative mood in Arabic? I can answer you that. Although you are not asking me, but I can answer you that. But I don't want to confuse you, because this has a similar meaning somewhere else also. So don't worry about the Arabic name. There is nothing in the name. Remember the English name for the time being. What is the English name for this mood with the Dhamma? Indicative mood. What is indicative mood? Indicative mood is always showing, and indicative mood shows that the work is actual. Yani work is real work. Okay. It's not a concept or something. It is a real work. Man goes to school. A child goes to school. Man goes to work. Okay, factual statements are made by indicative mood. So which mood? All these things are indicative mood. Indicative mood is the original mood of present future tense. It always wants to be in indicative mood, unless and until there are some particles. Because of some particles, the mood of present future changes from indicative to subjunctive, from subjunctive to josive. Okay, because of some particles, the mood changes. Okay, we will learn about these particles. It is very easy. We will learn about the subject, the mood, which is very easy. But in this class, especially today and tomorrow, our mission is to identify. Okay, what is the name of the mood? Indicative mood. In English also, do you have this mood? Yes, in English also there are moods, but uh, we almost forgot, and we never learn in that detail. But before we go ahead, let me show you something. See, what is the sign of mood here? Who will tell me? नहीं ये क्या हो गया? Sorry.
क्या? हाँ अब आ गया 960 सर.
963, 1 minute, 963. This is which one is working? This one, right? Yes. Now, what is the sign of mood here?
It's
Nine.
Dhamma. Sir.
Dhamma. What is the sign of mood here?
Again, it's Dhamma.
What is the sign of mood here?
Dhamma. Okay.
What is the sign of mood here?
Dhamma again.
What is the sign of mood here?
It's again Dhamma.
Dhamma, 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 Dhamma. So 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 out of 14. These are 14 conjugation. 5 out of 14 are Dhamma. Their sign of mood is Dhamma. Okay,
Yes,
right,
sir.
right. And who else will answer me? Let's change. Who else will answer me? What is the sign of mood here? 901.
901.
The noon is the sign.
What is the sign here?
Again noon.
What is the sign here?
Again noon.
Noon. What is the sign here? Here, here, and here?
The noon all.
Noon, 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 noon. Okay. So the second sign of the mood is noon, right? First sign of mood is Dhamma. Second sign of mood is noon, right? And this is fixed. These two, female plurality, they don't have any mood. So there are three group of you can say there are three group in the conjugation, that some of them are, yani 5 of them are with Dhamma, 7 of them are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them are with noon, and 2 of them are fixed. Right or wrong? Anybody? And any problem in this distinction? In any problem in this division? सबको समझ में आया? Everybody understood the division? Alhamdulillah. Now let's make things easy.
Yes, sir.
Alhamdulillah. Let's make things easy for you. Let's make things easy for you. What we will do? We will take it and divide it like this. See, this is Bismillah. Bismillah. See, this is yaktubu, yaktubani, normal conjugation. Okay, normal conjugation. This is normal conjugation. Kataba, conjugation of kataba. So what I have done, we have divided it into easy 5. Yaktubu, taktubu, taktubu, aktubu, naktubu. Right? Yaktubu, taktubu, taktubu is repeated twice. Taktubu, taktubu is repeated twice. Then aktubu, naktubu. If instead of kataba, if instead of kataba, let's write nasara. Nasara will become, who will help me? Nasara will become yan. Yan, yes, sister.
901.
Yan.
Sir, Yansuru.
Yansuru. So can you make the easy 5 out of it? Yansuru,
Yansuru,
tansuru,
Tansuru, Tansuru,
ansuru,
Ansuru,
nansuru.
Nansuru.
How easy? How
Yes,
easy?
sir. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. How easy? It is really easy. Nasara, yansuru. Nasara, yansuru. Then yansuru, tansuru, tansuru, ansuru, nansuru. Now I will give you one more idea. This is very conventional idea. This is a very conventional way to remember things. What is the conventional way of remembering? That you always say the past tense first and then say the present future tense. Like Nasara Yansuru. First you have to say Nasara Yansuru. Then start the conjugation. Nasara Yansuru, Yansuru, Tansuru, Tansuru, Ansuru, Nansuru. Everybody, you understood the game? This is the game. Let's play a game. Anybody, any question about the game? What is the game? First, you will write the past tense, like dakhala. Okay, let's write dakhala. So you will say dakhala. What will become? Dakhala will become yad khulu. So you will say dakhala yadkhulu first. Dakhala yadkhulu. Then you will make the easy five. Dakhala yadkhulu. But then you will make the easy five. Yadkhulu, tadkhulu, tadkhulu, adkhulu, nadkhulu. Everybody understood the game? Any question about the game? No question about the game, right? This is really easy game. Let's play the game, right? Let's play the game. Let's play the game. Okay. Sajada. Who will make the present future for? Kaun sa color aa gaye?
867.
Sajada.
867.
867. Sajada will become
Sajada will
yes.
become yasjudu.
Let me write it. Yes, Judu. Yes, Judu. Yes, Judu. So let's start. Let me ask you a question, sister. What will become? What is the present tense of Sajada? So you will say Sajada. Yes, Judu.
Yasjudu.
Then conjugate in easy 5. Okay, sister. So
Yes.
Sajada.
Sajada will become yasjudu, yasjudu, tasjudu, tasjudu, asjudu, nasjudu.
Asjudu. Nasjudu. How easy? How easy? Talaba. Who will make? Who will conjugate talaba? Who will translate? Who will talaba? Who will make the present future tense of talaba?
901.
Sir, talaba, the present will be yatlubu.
Okay, so you have to say talaba yatlubu. So this will get registered in your memory. Talaba yatlubu. Then talaba yatlubu. Then easy 5.
Yatlubu, tatlubu, tatlubu, atlubu, natlubu.
Atlubu, natlubu. If we ask you, if anybody asks you, what is the meaning of natlubu?
We studied. I think
No,
talaba is
ask. No, talaba actually, sister, some words have common meaning. Talaba means seeked, to
seek.
ask,
Okay.
to seek. So you ask, we asked, or we will ask. We seeked, or we seeks, or we will seek.
seeks, or we will seek. Yes.
We seek actually not with the S. We seek or we will seek.
We will seek and we seek.
We seek or we will seek. Huh? Mashallah. Huh? Acha, who will make for? This is the favorite. This always come. Qatala. The easy 5 for Qatala. So before easy 5, you will say Qatala. 867. You
867.
Qatala.
Qatala will become yaqtulu.
Qatala yaqtulu. Huh? Qatala yaqtulu. Now easy 5.
Yaqtulu, taqtulu, taqtulu, aqtulu, naqtulu.
Aqtulu naqtulu. What is this easy 5? You know, my brother, my sister, what is this easy 5? These are mostly used in Quran. This form, this conjugation is mostly used in Quran. Out of this, four are mostly used. The female, sorry, this not this one. The female gender is almost not used. The female gender is almost not used. So these are the easy 5. If you forget all the 14 conjugation, if you remember only 5 conjugation, still you will be able to translate Quran, right? And still you will be able to speak and write in Arabic. But it is not a good thing to remember half, because let me tell you, suppose this is my usual example. Suppose there is a man with the arrow, bow and the arrow, and he has 3 targets. First target is 5 dirham, 5 rupees. Second target is 100. Third is 1000. So he will aim for which target? My brother and my sister, he will aim for which target? Who will answer me?
963.
So he'll aim for 1000.
He will aim for 1000. This is but natural. He will aim for 1000. Lag gaya to nahi to yahan to lagega, nahi to yahan to lagega. So while studying, you should aim for the highest goal. What is the highest goal? That one day, inshallah, I will teach somebody. This is the highest goal. This is the highest goal, that one day, inshallah, I will teach somebody. So learn with the highest goal, and inshallah, one of the goal will be reached. Okay. And then shakara. What is the meaning of shakara? Anybody?
867.
He thankful.
He
He
thanked.
thanked.
उसने शुक्र किया. शकरा present tense will become
Yashkuru.
yashku.
Yashkuru.
Yashkuru. Shakara yashkuru. And easy 5. Shakara yashkuru. Yashkuru.
Tashkuru. Tashkuru.
See, sister,
Ashkuru.
listen,
Nashkuru.
sister, see, first you have to say Shakara Yashkuru. Why? Because this will get registered in your brain that Shakara will become Yashkuru. I am repeating this because something new is coming in our way. It will not be always same. Something is changing. Something will change. So register this that Shakara will become Yashkuru. Register it in your brain that Shakara will become Yashkuru. Shakara Yashkuru. Then do the 5. Okay, sister, everybody.
Okay, sir.
Shakara Yashkuru.
Shakara. Yashkuru. Tashkuru. 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 Ashkuru. Nashkuru.
Ashkuru Nashkuru. Acha, Khalaka. Who will make the easy 5 for Khalaka?
963.
963. Khalaka.
Khalaqa yakhluqu.
MashaAllah. Then easy 5.
Okay. Yakhluqu, takhluqu, takhluqu, akhluqu, nakhluqu.
Akhluqu Nakhluqu. Akhluqu Nakhluqu. MashaAllah. Razaqa. Razaqa. Who will make
901.
listen to the question first. Who will make active participle of Razaqa?
Raziq.
Razik. And who will make now, sister, make the present future of Razaqa? Razaqa.
Yazruqu. Yarzuqu. Sorry. Yarzuqu.
Yarzuqu. A little complicated. Razaqa yarzuqu. And make the easy 5. Yarzuqu.
Yarzuqu. Tarzuqu. Tarzuqu. Arzuqu. Narzuqu.
Narzuqu. Arzuqu. Narzuqu. Abada. 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 This is dal. Abada. This is ain. Abada. Abada. Who will make the active participle of abada?
867.
867.
Abid.
Abidun, right? Abidun. Abidun. Mashallah, Abid. And please make the present future of abada.
Abada. Ya'budu. Ya'budu. Ta'budu. Ta'budu. Abudu. Na'budu.
Abudu. Na'budu. Abudu yani I worship. And na'budu yani we worship.
We
Right?
worship or we will worship.
We will yani. Okay, this is understood. This is understood. This is understood. This is understood. Akala. Anybody knows the meaning of akala? Akala. He ate. Okay. He ate. Akala. Akala. He ate. Akala will become in the present future. It will become. Who will answer, sister?
901.
So it's Yakulu.
Akala yaakulu. Mashallah. Then
Yakulu, Takulu, Takulu, Aktulu, Naktulu. Sorry, wrong, sir?
Yes, sister. You
Oh, sorry.
Okay, no problem. Akala yaakulu. Then it will be akulu nakulu.
Akulu, Nakulu.
Not aktulu naktulu. Akulu nakulu.
I was
No
looking at
problem,
those
sisters.
words.
We are
I
learning.
mixed it up.
We are learning, sister. Mashallah.
Yes.
We are learning. Sister, have you taken any other class before this?
Sir, I'm only doing word to word translation. That's it. And I'm just
Mashallah.
learning with you, alhamdulillah.
Mashallah, this class word to word, if somebody is doing word to word, or if somebody is listening to the exegesis of Quran, yani tafsir of Quran, or if somebody knows Urdu, these things are really helpful in Arabic. These things are
Alhamdulillah, sir.
really helpful in Arabic to understand Quran, because you are dealing with the subject from multiple sides. When you deal with the subject from multiple sides, from multiple angles, the subject becomes easy for you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
keep doing
Alhamdulillah.
it, sister.
So
Keep
the
doing it,
answers to
sister.
my queries, sir, I'm getting here, alhamdulillah. That day also I asked what is the meaning of ya, and you said we will learn it soon. Alhamdulillah, I'm getting the answers now
Now
deeply.
you're getting the answer. Inshallah,
Jazakallah.
you will get more answers, sister.
Inshallah.
Anytime, any answer, any question, you can ask the sister. You can ask me, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair, sir.
Jazakallah, sister. Okay, so this is the way we have made it easy. What we have made it easy, we have named them easy 5, 7 noon, and make fixed mood. Fixed mood is not to be studied, yani. It is fixed. The mood is fixed, right? And the mood which they are at present, they are in indicative mood. Indicative mood shows the factual things, factual statement, factual work. Okay, this is the way you do it, right? This is the way you do it. Let's do one more. There is one more way to do it. Not one more way, there is one this thing. I will send you this for practice. If you want to practice, you can use this. Okay. Nasara Yansuru. What will come after Yansuru? Who will help me now? Everything is blank. The slate is blank now. Nasara Yansuru. Baden.
867.
Answer is here. You just have
Yan-
to put the 3 radicals here. Nasara Noon Sora. Bas, and answer is there. Nasara Yansuru. G sister.
Yansuru.
867.
G
Sir,
sister.
it's Yansuru,
Baden.
Yansurani,
Right.
Yansuruna.
Every answer is here. Yansuruna.
Yes, sir. And next it's Tansuru
Tansuru.
and Tansurani.
Mashallah.
Next it will be Yansurna.
Nansurna. Mashallah. Baden.
Tansuru,
Tansuru.
Tansurani,
Yes.
Tansuruna again.
Yes.
Tansurina.
Reena. This is a female gender. Eena. The sound is high pitch. Eena. Yeah. High pitch sound is related to female. Eena. Low pitch sound is related to man. High pitch sound is related to female. Eena. Right?
Yes, sir.
After that,
Tansurani.
Rani.
Tansurna.
Yansurna, third person. Tansurna, second person.
Okay, sir.
Baden.
Ansuru, Nansuru.
Nansuru. Ansuru, Nansuru. When I was learning, when teacher was asking to do this homework, this type of homework, not exactly this was not there. So what I used to do, I used to make easy 5 first. Yansuru, Tansuru, Tansuru, Ansuru, Nansuru. What is left? I will do the fixed thing baden. Fixed thing is whatever is left is left is with the noon. Okay, you can do it in this way, but this is cheating. Don't do it. Yeah. Right, this is cheating, but actually it's a shortcut. Okay, up instead of Nasara Yansuru, let's do something Darasa. See, Darasa yani he learned, he studied. He studied. So Darasa will become Darasa. Who will do the conjugation for Darasa? Darasa Yad 901.
Yadrusu,
Yadrusu.
Yadrusani,
Yes.
Yadrusuna,
Mashallah.
Tadrusu,
Tadrusu.
Tadrusani,
Yes.
Tadsurna.
Yeah.
Yadsurna,
Yadrus.
Yadrusna,
Yeah,
Yadrusna.
Yadrusna. See why we are not writing it, there is a thing, you should be able to listen and identify the verb also. This is a practice of listening also. When you listen to Quran, you should identify whether this is a big ha or small ha, whether this is a small calf or big calf. Practice more, because your technology, your knowledge is not controlled by you, it is controlled by somebody else. The day will come when they will stop internet and they will do whatever they want to. Yani, bad days are coming. At that time, this knowledge will help you to identify, no, it was a big calf, it was a deep calf or small calf there, right? And when you will teach somebody, this knowledge will be helpful for the ummah. Okay, so that's
Sure.
why we are not writing, but you should write. Keep writing and practice. Badin darasa yadrusu, badin tadrusu.
Tadrusu, Tadrusani, Tadsuruna,
Tadru Tadrusuna.
Tadrusuna, then
And this
Tadrusina,
Sina. Mashallah.
then Tadrusani,
Mashallah.
Tadsurna,
Tad
Tadsuruna,
Tadrusna.
Tadrusna, sorry,
Tadrusna.
Tadrusna.
Ah.
And
Adrusu
then
nadrusu.
Adrusu,
Very
Nadrusu,
very easy. Mostly used, most frequently used. Adrusu nadrusu.
Adrusu, Nadrusu.
Ah and na most frequently used. Adrusu nadrusu. Very easy. Adrusu nadrusu. Very easy.
Yes.
It's like a train. Adrusu nadrusu. And the easy five. Yadrusu, tadrusu, tadrusu, adrusu, nadrusu. Easy five. Just remember, if you forget everything, inshallah this will not happen. But if you forget by chance, then easy five. At least remember the easy five. Okay. Anybody, any question till here?
Sir,
Anybody?
I want to ask something.
Ji, मेरी बहन. Ji, sister.
Sir, this is quite confusing actually to remember this thing that taktubu, where it is used as singular feminine and where it is used as singular masculine. Taktubu,
Masculine
taktubu,
is
and then
almost in the easy five. The masculine is almost not used. In Quran,
okay,
almost not used, sister. And the
okay,
context will tell you. And the context
okay,
will help you, inshallah. Context
sure,
will help you.
inshallah.
100% the context will help you.
Sure, sir.
No question about it. Context will help you. Okay, and this everything what we are learning at present, and this dhamma and noon is in indicative mood. It is used for factual statement, positive things. Okay, something which is real, factual things. Yani man goes to work, children play, something factual. Nothing. This is just an idea for you. Okay, and this is the homework. What is the homework? That you please do the homework. The idea of homework is you can do it in both the way, this way also and this way also. This noon, what will happen in the other mood, I will tell you. In indicative mood, dhamma is the sign. In subjunctive mood, fatha will be the sign. What will happen to dhamma? It will convert into fatha. Similarly, this is happening in noun also. From dhamma it is converting, it is changing into fatha. From which stage? From rafa to nasab stage, right? Similarly, in this side of the yani this side of the part of speech, in verb, call it mood, don't call it declension, call it mood. Okay, for the time being. In the next class we will not call it mood, we will call it declension only, but for now call it mood. So in first mood it was dhamma, in second mood yani subjunctive mood, it will convert into fatha, and this noon will go, and these are fixed and then in the other mood, which is josive mood, this will convert into sukoon. Why it is not converting into kasra? Anybody? Anybody? Why it is not converting into kasra? Because
It's a
kasra
verb.
is the sign of a noun, not a verb. Verb never accept kasra, right? In that sense, huh? Huh? In that sense, it don't accept kasra in that sense. Otherwise, it is accepting kasra here, but in this in the sense of a mood, it don't accept kasra, right? It will become, it will take sukun. We will learn about it, inshallah. I'm just giving you a precursor that what is a mood, why it is changing in the mood, and what is the reason of changing the mood. The reason are only some of the particles. And what are those particles? We will learn about it. And what is the effect? We will learn about it. But at present, what we are doing, we are just practicing identifying kataba, nasara, dakhala, and tomorrow we will see something else, like just tomorrow inshallah we will see that. Let me remove this also. That suppose nasara will become yansuru. Yansuru. Nasara will become yansuru. Huh? So nasara will become yansuru. But daraba, what will daraba will become? Daraba will become yad ribu. Yad ribu. Note, point to be noted it. Dhamma here and kasra here. Right or wrong? Who is telling me that daraba will become yadribu and nasara will become yansuru? Why daraba is not become, why nasara is not becoming yansiru? Right or wrong? Who is telling me this? Somebody is telling me this. Huh? We will learn who is telling us how, which word or which verb will change into which form. This is the first form we have learned. It's not a form actually. This is uh, we will, tomorrow we will learn what these things are called, inshallah. These are called gates, right? Inshallah. Got the idea? All of them, they are not changing into yansuru or yaf olu. If you change this into a pattern, it will become yaf olu pattern. Yaf ulu. This is not the standard pattern. There is more pattern. There are 6 patterns in all. 3 are mostly used. 3 of them are very rarely used. So we will learn tomorrow, inshallah. Anybody, any question? I'm giving you a precursor. Don't worry. Everything is really easy, right? Yes, 901.
Sir, this is confusing us actually. When we
Yes,
say
this is
yadribu,
confusing.
so we say that verb doesn't accept kasra, but here we are showing kasra for
Where?
the transformation of the
Where?
tenses. So like daraba will become yadribu. So there's a kasra
Kasra in
in
the
the
end.
word.
Kasra in the end.
In the
Not
end, all right, all right.
kasra in the ends. And for that mood, huh? Kasra in the end for mood.
For mood, okay, sir.
For mood, because kataba yaktubu taktubani, mani already has a kasra. Bani, see, bani has a kasra, right?
Yes, sir, right.
But this is in the mood, in this 5 easy 5 mood. What we are talking about is easy 5 mood. Like fataha will become yaftahu. Yaftahu. Fataha will become yaftahu. Like see, sometime it is and kalima is changing into dhamma, sometime it is changing into kasra, sometime it is changing into fatah. Who is doing this? Why it is happening? We will learn about it inshallah tomorrow. But now I want you to focus on one more thing. One more thing. Please focus on one more thing. That see, all the action is, see, if in the starting, in the original, this one, if in the original, if in the starting it is dhamma, it is always dhamma, dhamma, dhamma in the on the end kalima, right? See, dhamma, 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 dhamma. Once a dhamma, always a dhamma. Right or wrong? Once this is stagnant, it is very untouched, because this is a ayn kalima. Ayn kalima is always stagnant. Once a dhamma, always a dhamma. In all the 14 conjugation, it is always a dhamma. So once it is a kasra here, it will remain kasra until the end. Once it is a fatha here, it will remain fatha until the end. Okay, this is one of the point you should remember. This will be very helpful later, inshallah. Not in this class, in some other class. Okay, anybody, any other question? Okay, you got the homework. This is your homework. This at least make nasara yansuru. At least give some time to nasara yansuru. Okay, I will give you one, because there are many ladies in the class. I will give you one word. Anybody knows the meaning of this? Tabakha. Anybody knows the meaning of this?
901.
901.
Sir, I think it is gold.
नहीं वो ज़हाबा है,
अच्छा,
मगर
वो
वो
ज़हाबा
ये वो वर्ब, वो नाउन है, ये वर्ब है. He
Oh,
cooked.
okay. He cooked. Okay.
He cooked. So she cooked. How will I write she cooked? I will conjugate tabakha tabakha tabakhat. Right or wrong? She cooked. Tabakha. Okay, you can make present future tense from nasara yansuru pattern. Nasara yansuru pattern. Tabakha. What will become? Yat bahu. Yat, little twisted, tongue twister. Yat bahu. Okay, yat bahu. Okay, I will give you a new word. Rasaba. Rasaba means he succeeded. No, not he succeeded, he failed. Rasaba means he failed. Rasaba means he failed. Zakara. Zakara, you know, he remembered. Zakara yazkuru. Kharaja. Kharaja yakhruju. Kharaja yakhruju. Take any of it and conjugate. Akala. Akala ya'kulu. Akhaza. Akhaza, he took. Akhaza. Akhaza, he took. Akhaza, he took. Right? Take any and please conjugate. Okay, everybody? Anybody, any question? No question. Alhamdulillah. Okay, see you tomorrow. Inshallah, tomorrow we will learn about the mood, how to change the mood. Moods are very easy. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.
Very
Walaikum
good.
We have
assalam.
time or not? We have time, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
10 minutes more.
Why waste the time? Wait, don't
53
go.
years, sir.
Why waste the time? 7 minutes. Why waste the time? Let's do some practice quickly. Everybody unmute. Massa. 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 Anybody? Please try. Massa. 4 answers are there. MCQ. Just give me a wrong answer. No problem. At least
He
you are
went
trying.
astray.
मस्सा. हाँ, आप वजू करते हैं तो एक काम करते हैं.
Okay.
मस्सा.
He touched.
मस्सा. टच करते हैं ना सर को. मस्सा.
Touched.
Massa. Try to relate things and it will be easy. This is a new language. We have to find shortcuts. Massa. We are not children, right? Children, they learn quickly. But we are not children. So relate things with something and you will remember. Massa. He touched. He touched. Dalla. Dalalam baida. Dalla.
He went astray.
Everybody, please try. Please unmute. At least give the wrong answer. At least let me know you're trying. Wasiya kursiyuhu samawati wal ard. Wasiya kursiyuhu samawati.
He inherited.
Wasiya kursiyuhu samawati wal ard.
Encompassed.
He
Wasiya kursi.
okay.
Mashallah. Waqa. Forget all the rule. Just remember the verb. Just remember the meaning of the verb, waqa. Okay,
Sir, he
he
protected.
protected. He protected. Wahaba.
He promised.
Try.
Maybe
नहीं.
no.
He
Try.
found.
हाँ, एक दुआ है, एक दुआ में भी आता है वहब ली. हाँ,
He granted.
granted. हाँ,
Granted.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, वही आ गई देखिए, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहिल्लज़ी वहब ली, जिसने मुझे दिया इस ओल्ड एज में बच्चा. राइट. हाँ. ताबा.
He inherited.
ताबा, तौबा करना, ताबा.
He repented.
हाँ,
Repented.
ताबा. हाँ, ताबा. अच्छा, ताबा में ताबा आला एक होता है. इन ताबा देर इज ताबा with ala. Remember yesterday I told you zahaba with zahaba b change the meaning.
Yes.
So taba with taba ala change the meaning. Change the meaning to something else. We will learn about it, inshallah. Okay, taba, he repented. See, fataba alayhi, when it is alayhi, yani Allah is accepting the repentance. Okay, when it is taba ila, then the man is asking for repentance. Okay, waqa, एक वाकया हो गया. उर्दू में you use this word.
Yeah.
एक वाकया.
Yes. Like
It
incident.
befell.
It befell.
It befell. Waritha.
He inherited.
Inherited.
Aris.
Active participle waris.
Waris.
Waris, the one who inherited, the one who inherits, right? Inherited. Waritha Suleimanu Dauda, right?
The
Mashallah.
passive participle will be?
हर एक चीज को पैसिव नहीं बनता सिस्टम.
नहीं बनता. Okay, sir.
वद्दा. पैसिव पार्टिसिपल्स इज, यानी अगर वर्ड ट्रांजिटिव इंट्रांजिटिव वो देखेंगे, उसका पैसिव पार्टिसिपल बनता है. और अगर बन भी जाए तो वो लैंग्वेज में यूज होता भी कि नहीं होता है, दैट इज
Okay.
ऑल्सो अ क्वेश्चन. वद्दा.
Right.
He set up.
Maybe he
It's better.
हाँ,
like
हाँ, he wished.
He wished. Okay.
हाँ, वजदा, very important. वजदा. वजदा आइलन.
He found.
He found. फवजदा अब्दन min ibadina. फवजदा. fa मतलब, who will translate this fa? फवजदा.
Indeed.
fa. कल तो देखा था, कल we learned about fa.
Oh, and.
But which and? After some time, slowly, later.
After
Then
something, yes.
for wajada, what is the translation of wajada? Be careful when you translate wajada,
And
because
they
I can
found.
see. And
They found.
how many they? One or
Both.
both of
Two,
them
two.
found? Two
Two.
of them. Why? Because alif is there.
Alif is there.
for wajada, और उन दोनों को मिला या उन्होंने पाया. अब्दन मिन इबादिना. हमारे बंदों में से एक बंदा. अब्दन. अब्दन यानी एक बंदा. अब्दन मिन इबादिना. राइट. Okay. वादा.
He
वादा.
promised.
वादा. वादा. वदा.
they protected.
To set up, to
He set
bring
up.
forward, to give something like that. One word can have a shade of meaning, many meaning. Alhamdulillah. Okay. If the time gets over, tell me.
Yes, sir. Start.
Okay, time.
It's up. Time
It's
is
up.
up.
Time is up. Khalas. Inshallah.
sir.
Time is up. See you tomorrow. Sister, वो book आई क्या?
जी सर, अभी नहीं आई है. उन्होंने आज जो एड्रेस लिया सर, वो कुरियर करने वाले हैं सर.
Inshallah. All right, sister. All right.
जज़ाकल्लाह.
Okay. Jazakallah. All right. See you tomorrow.